Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new notebook on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. You go to the left bar at the left side of the screen and click to the green plus icon, and you can find the new note option. Click that and you can add the different notes to your notebook, and you can add a title and you can add different texts, and you can set the color, the font size and the others, any editing option. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.